Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to make a small flower in crochet to fix it in a baby hat or shawl, which we have done already. If you have missed the hat or shawl making videos, please go to the links which I have shared in the description. I am using this yarn and 5 mm crochet hook to make this flower. To start with, let us put 2 chains, 1 and 2, and join the first chain with the single crochet, like this. Let us fix the marker in the first chain and put 5 more single crochet in the same first chain, so that totally we'll be putting 6 single crochet in the first round. One single crochet for one petal. So totally we are putting 6 single crochet. Now let us remove the marker and join with the slip stitch, so that the first round is complete with 6 single crochet stitches. At first, put one slip stitch in the first chain and half double crochet in the same chain, one half double crochet and one double crochet in the same chain. First half double crochet, next double crochet, and again half double crochet in the same chain, and join with the slip stitch in the next chain. Now we have finished one petal, and for the next petal in the same chain we'll put one half double crochet, one double crochet, and one half double crochet again, and join with the slip stitch in the next chain. So now we have finished 2 petals. Again one half double crochet, one double crochet, again one half double crochet, and join with the slip stitch in the next chain. So now we have finished 3 petals. In this same method, let us finish all the 6 petals like this. Leave some thread and cut it. Insert it to a needle and let us fix it to a hat or shawl, so that this small flower will be very beautiful. I hope you understood the stitches clearly. If you like this flower making video, share with your friends, like and subscribe for more such videos. Do comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.